morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the latest smart band from Xiaomi. So we have here, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this one. We have the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Okay, so we got this from this popular shopping site. Check out the links below. And this time we're going to have is review of its design and specs. Okay, so this is our part 1 review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Okay, so we have here the Chinese version. Okay, so we have right here the model XMSH10HM. So compatible operating system is Android 5.0. Okay, and iOS 10.0. Okay, waterproof up to 50 meters, Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, 125 mAh battery. Okay, so let's check. So we have here, okay, the sleep monitoring. Okay, so battery, I guess this is LFA. We have here the sports mode, I think. We have here the waterproof rating. What else? Heart rate monitoring. So okay, so without further ado, let's check out the design. Right, so what we have here is the color black. Okay, let's open it and check. Okay, again, check out the latest price of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. We have the links below. It's one of the best shopping site to get your Mi Band 5. They have one of the lowest price in the market. They also have the global version and of course the Chinese version. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so we have, I think that's the charging cable. Again, for the charging cable, they have an improved charging method. Instead of a capsule-like, where you have capsule-like body where you have to remove the strap and able to charge your band, it's now magnetic. Much better, easy, fast, okay, without removing the strap. We have the Xiaomi Mi Band 5, and let's check. What else we have here? Guess it's the user manual. Okay, seems there's nothing else inside. So we have here the user manual. Again, so this is Chinese version. Of course, we have a Chinese version user manual. So if you want to read or have the English user manual of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5, please check out our website, okay, at smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, so let's check. Okay, it activated on itself. Okay, still battery. Okay, so let's check out the design. Again, it has the capsule-like body here, much bigger, I think. We have silicone strap, sporty silicone strap. Okay, let's check out the Okay, as you can see here, very easy to charge. You don't have to remove the body of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 to be able to charge it. Okay, checking out the specifications. So we have here at smartwatchspecifications.com the specs of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Okay, let me check. So we have a 1.1 inch AMOLED display screen with 126 by 295 screen resolution. We have 512 KB of RAM and 16 MB of ROM, 125 mAh battery. Okay, for the sensors, let's check. Okay, let's check so have a much clearer seems like okay, so we have Bluetooth version 4 5.0, and we have 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope here, capacitive proximity sensor, optical heart rate sensor, barometer, and NFC. So there's no built-in GPS. For the features, we have call and message notifications with caller ID, social app notifications. It also have a PI support, physiological monitoring, stress monitoring, Bluetooth photo capture, music control, NFC payment. I guess for the NFC payment, it only work with in China. We have 11 sports mode, preloaded watch faces, and more. Okay, again, let's check the design. Again, this one, I think it's PC body here. It is a little bit heavy compared to the Mi Band 4. Anyway, it still have almost the same look with that capsule like body here. 1.1-inch AMOLED display, and it weighs 12.1 grams. Okay, so the body is polycarbonate. 11.9 grams, I mean, for the weight. Again, the strap is removable. You can buy any third-party strap online. Okay, so let's check out. As you can see here, so I think we still have to synchronize it with our smartwatch. Okay, I mean smartphone, to be able to activate the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Okay, that will be on our next video. We're going to show you on the process on connecting it to your smartphone and showing the menus of the Mi Band 5. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, so there's no Wi-Fi, so maybe this is Chinese version, so there's an NFC support, but it only works in China. We also have a Bluetooth version 5.0. So for the QR code, if you want to install the app, so we have here in the user manual available in iOS and Android platform. So let's check. So we have here the QR code of the app. Okay, so it's available in the App Store. Again, Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the QR code of the app for the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Then One last look before we go to its menus and functions. Let's check. Let's wear it and check if it's comfortable to wear. Okay, so far looking good, looking sharp, much better. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this smart band, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Bye.